Hi, welcome to the exciting world of testing roulette strategies and learning to code. In this channel, I will teach you the basics of Python so that you can start testing your roulette strategies.
So, as you can probably remember, last time we created this very simple script, print hello world. So, when run, it produces this output. In other words, it outputs what is contained between quotes here in the terminal. Question: can I remove the quotes? As you could probably guess, no. When you're using the print function and you're dealing with words or letters, you need to use quotes. However, if I wanted to print a number, see, I don't have to use quotes. It's not like I don't have to, I shouldn't use quotes. Numbers should not be between quotes. So let's look at comments. So hashtag how to print numbers. As you can see, this line is in green. What does that mean? Essentially, it means that the computer will ignore it. You see, it only outputs the number. It just ignores this bit here. Comments are for me, for the programmer, to remember certain things. It's like a post-it. Now let's imagine that I don't want this to work. I can comment it out. So I select it and then I press Ctrl-K-C. I've commented this out. Now it's gonna be ignored when I run. You see? Nothing happens. If I want to get it back working, I can uncomment it by selecting it and pressing Ctrl-K-U. This is very useful. Anyway, let's comment it out again, because now we're gonna see how to produce random numbers. So the first thing we need to do is to import the random module. Why? Because the functions to do with randomness are not included in the Python programming language. In order to do that, we need to sort of add an add-on, which is a module, or it's basically like an extra bit of code that can be used. So I've imported the random module. Typically I do this at the beginning of the script. And now I can print a random number. Okay. Specifically, I am printing a random European roulette number, because the numbers in European roulette are included between 0 and 36. This random.randint means that basically within the random module I'm using, there is a random integer. An integer means number. So now if I try it, there you go, 2, 36, 5, etc. Easy, right? 2 lines and you're generating a random number. Now, we want to generate more random numbers. For loops to repeat something a certain number of times. Okay, so one of the ways we can use a for loop is to specify a certain number of times we want an action to be repeated. So if we got this action here generating one number and we want to repeat it, say 10 times, we can write this for I in range 10. As you can see, it's giving me error with this red squiggly line. So there you go. It needs an indent. An indent is made of 4 spaces, or you can also press the tab key. And this is the syntax of for loops. So you've got for I in range. Yes. So this is the syntax. Run. There you go. 10 random numbers. So because computers are incredibly fast calculators, you can also write down ridiculous numbers. There you go, we've got 10,000. Done. Can you believe that? I've got 10,000 numbers here. 1 second, maybe less, maybe more, but incredibly fast. And there you go. This is how you generate random numbers and how you repeat an action a certain amount of times.
So we've seen how to generate random numbers in Python. In the next video, we'll do if-else statements. Bye-bye.